In this video, we're going to use unit rates for comparison. Callie is buying cereal at the grocery store. A 12.2 ounce box costs $4.39. A 27.5 ounce box costs $10.19. Now we're asked to determine the following unit rates for the small 12.2 ounce box and the large 27.5 ounce box. Write your unit rates as decimals rounded to 4 decimal places. So we have a table. First, we're asked to find the small box unit rate in ounces per dollar. So here's our small box information. We want ounces per dollar, so 12.2 ounces over $4.39. Now we want to write this as a unit rate, so I'm going to divide 12.2 by 4.39. 12.2 divided by 4.39. And it's said to round to 4 decimal places. That's 2.7790. Approximately 2.7790. Now remember what this is measuring. This is measuring ounces per dollar. So I'm going to write that underneath, ounces per dollar. So that means for every dollar you spend on a small box, you get 2.799 ounces. Now we're going to find the same unit rate but for the large box. So we want ounces per dollar, so 27.5 ounces over $10.19. Now I'm going to divide 27.5 by 1019 to find the unit rate. And to 4 decimal places, it's 2.6987. 2.6987 ounces per dollar. Now we're going to find the unit rate in a different way. We're going to find dollars per ounce. Okay, so basically this is reciprocating this fraction. So we have $4.39 over 12.2 ounces. $4.39 divided by 12.2 gives us, so the 4 decimal places will be 3598, approximately 0.3598, and that's in dollars per ounces. So that means that for every approximately 35 to 36 cents, that's what we pay for 1 ounce. Okay. So notice how that's different here. It says we get 2.799 ounces for every dollar we spend. This says we pay about 36 cents for every ounce we buy. Now let's find this for the large box. So we have 1019 divided by 27.5. So 1019 divided by 27.5. To 4 decimal places, we have 3705. Correct? 3705. And again, that's dollars per ounces. Okay. So we could use either of these comparisons, unit rates, to compare, but they have to be the same type of unit rate. So here, this is ounces per dollar. The small box gives us this many ounces per dollar, and the large box gives us this many. Okay. Now we have dollars per ounce. The small box is about 36 cents an ounce, about-ish, and the large box is about 37 cents per ounce. So notice in this situation, this number is more. Over here, this number is more. But you can't just use which one is more to make your determination. You have to think in the context of the unit. Okay? So do you want more or less ounces per dollar? Well, for every dollar you spend, you would want more ounces per dollar. In this situation, do you want to spend more or less dollars per ounce? And I think you'll agree we want to pay less dollars for every ounce of cereal. Okay. So in either of these interpretations, here we see the small box gives us more ounces per dollar because this value is bigger than this value. And the small box also has less dollars for every ounce, since 36 cents is less than 37 cents. So based on both of these pieces of information, we can determine that the small box is a better buy because it costs less dollars per ounce. And here, the small box is still a better buy, but using ounces per dollar, it's a better buy because you get more ounces per dollar.